Good afternoon, YouTube. This is Bartomeo. I'm here at Peace Valley Park, County Park in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. And yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to the spring season, but we just have a little bit of the winter to contend with here in the east. One of the things I enjoy most about the outdoors is the soothing sounds of nature, such as that water flowing. Here is the main lake. It's called Lake Galena in Peace Valley. I've mentioned it in previous videos. And right ahead is a couple of our nature's beautiful creatures trying to venture out of the cold conditions. Today is in about the 40s, 43 maybe to 45. We have a nice trail system throughout the park. It does a loop. I think it's either 5 or 6 miles, 5.5 to 6 mile loop. And this is near the Nature Center at Peace Valley County Park. Yeah, it's maintained well, as you can see. Thank you. Blessings, everyone.